Calculate molar mass of acetate. So for acetate, notice for every capital letter, it is a different element. So there's 3 different elements in this compound, and the subscript tells you how many of each. Remember, if there's no number, it's just understood as a 1. So first thing we're going to do, I kind of write it out a different way. So what I do is I write carbon here, hydrogen here, and oxygen. So those are the 3 letters that we're using, or elements. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find their mass on the periodic table. And so, for example, the first one, carbon, if you can see that on my periodic table, carbon's right there, number 6, 12.011. So I'm going to use that mass. It is the bigger number, and that's grams per mole. That is the mass of carbon. And then I'm going to multiply it by 2 because there's 2 carbons here. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. And then in between elements, I'm going to add. So now that it's a different element, I'm going to add. So hydrogen is 1.0079 grams per mole. And there's 3 of them, so I'm going to multiply by 3. And then I'm going to add my last one, which is oxygen. And oxygen is 15.999 grams per mole. I'm going to multiply that by 2. What I'm going to do is add them all up, and that will give us the total molar mass. Where's my calculator? So if you add 12.011 times 2 plus 1.0079 times 3 plus 15.999 times 2. This will give you, so this will equal C2H3O2, and then underneath I'm going to write the number. So the number is 59.0437 grams of C2H3O2. And then I'm going to put a long line under it for division. 1 mole of C2H3O2. And that would be your answer.